How to fix Snapchat device ban on iOS. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, open the option General, head towards the option of Software Update. If any updates are available over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. Heading towards Next Solution, close this, open your App Store. Now search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Snapchat app to its latest version. Likewise, heading towards Next Solution, you have to open any of the browser. Now type in Snapchat support. Now click on the very first website option, Snapchat support. With that, you will land to the official website of Snapchat support. Now scroll down, click on the option of Contact Us. Submit a request, click on the option of I can't access my account. Now scroll down, tell us more, select the option of My account is locked. Still need help? Click on Yes. Now you have to fill this. Firstly, type in your username and then type in your email address. Likewise, type in your mobile number that is linked with your Snapchat account. And over here, describe about your issue. Once you fill this, click on the option of Submit, and with that, your problem will be fixed. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat device ban on iOS. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.